Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want client to book appointments online in 2026, coaching, consultations, services, calls, Squarespace offers built-in scheduling, no external tools. Squarespace scheduling lets visitors see availability, book time slots, and pay automatically. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add appointment scheduling in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, enable scheduling in Squarespace. So log into Squarespace, open your website. Um, you know, you have to find the scheduling option. Okay. So if you didn't find it here, keep looking for scheduling. So here is scheduling. Tap it. So Squarespace activates the scheduling system. Booking tools are added to your site. So this is a one-time setup. Okay, so create an appointment type. Go to scheduling appointment type. Okay, you will choose one-on-one appointment. Duration, for example, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. Each appointment type has its own rules. Okay, so configure appointment details. So set appointment name. You know, duration, price, description. Be clear, this affects booking quality. Okay, so go to availability. You can set working days and hours, add buffers between appointments, block unavailable times. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.